Welcome to FullSpecMotors Front View. Welcome to FullSpecMotors. Today, we're looking at the Hyundai Elantra. Right from the front, you're greeted by a sharp and aggressive design. The bold grille and LED headlights give it a futuristic and premium look. Side profile. From the side, the Elantra shows off its sleek character. A sloping roofline and sculpted body lines give it a coupe-like silhouette, adding to its sporty appeal. Rear view. At the rear, the Elantra continues its edgy design with angular tail lights, a clean trunk line, and a built-in spoiler. It's sharp, modern, and stands out on the road. Full exterior angle. Here's the full exterior angle. From every direction, the Elantra strikes a balance between elegance and aggression. Hyundai's design language truly shines here. Interior dashboard. Step inside and you'll see a clean, tech-focused dashboard. Dual digital displays dominate the view, with a seamless, driver-focused layout. Steering and display. The leather-wrapped steering wheel features audio and cruise controls, and behind it, the digital instrument cluster gives you all the driving info in a modern layout. Seats and comfort. The seats are well bolstered, comfortable, and stylish. With premium stitching and soft materials, the Elantra offers a relaxed drive for both front and rear passengers. Roof and windows. The sloping roofline gives the car a sporty shape, while the optional sunroof opens up the cabin and brings in natural light. Wheels and brakes. Hyundai offers stylish alloy wheels and strong braking performance. Whether you're cruising in the city or on the highway, the grip and control are excellent. Engine bay. Under the hood, you'll find multiple options, from efficient 4-cylinder engines to a turbocharged variant, delivering both performance and fuel economy. Tech and features. The Elantra is packed with tech. A large infotainment screen, wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, wireless charging, and ambient lighting make every ride enjoyable. Trunk space. Open the trunk and you'll find generous cargo space for a compact sedan. Plus, foldable rear seats give you even more flexibility. Safety features. With Hyundai SmartSense, the Elantra includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and forward collision warning. Safety comes standard. Final look and price. And here's your final look at the Hyundai Elantra. Stylish, smart, and efficient. In the US, it starts around $21,500, depending on the trim. A modern sedan made for every driver. Thanks for watching FullSpecMotors. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more daily car reviews.